Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to cover how to multiply a 4-digit number by a 4-digit number. So we'll go through one example together to get this down quickly. Let's jump into our example where we have 7,246 times 4,319. So the first thing we're going to do with multiplication is we're going to line them up below each other like this. 7,000, don't forget the comma, 246 times 4,319. So, like this. So we have wrote them down below each other, and now we're going to start multiplying them. So, to start, first of all, we're going to start from the right. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to do 9 times 7,246, and then 1 time, and then 3, and then 4. So don't forget this. So the first step we're going to take is we're going to do 9 times every number right here. So we're going to do 9 times 6. Well, 9 times 6 equals 54. So we're going to write down our 4 right here, and we're going to get the 5 over here. So now we're going to do 9 times 4. 9 times 4 equals 36. And then we add the 5, so 36 plus 5 will equal 41. So we're going to write the 1 and carry the 4 over here. Now we're going to do 9 times 2. 9 times 2 equals 18, plus 4 equals 22. So we're going to write the 2 down here and carry the 2 over here. Don't forget to add your comma right here. And so we're going to the last one. 9 times 7. 9 times 7 equals 63, plus 2 equals 65. Well, we're going to write down the 5 right here, and we don't have anywhere to carry over the 6, so we're just going to write 65. So 9 times 7,246 will equal 65,214. Let's write these three numbers a bit bigger so we don't get confused. 214, like this. So now we're done with the 9. We're going to cross all of the numbers we have already used. So, and also I'm going to move this to down a bit so we don't get confused. So we have crossed all of these numbers up so we don't get confused and we stay organized. So now we are going to go to the tens place. Well, because this 1 has a value of 10 and not just 1, we're going to write a 0 right here. And we're going to start from here. We do this because, again, this doesn't have a value of 1, but 10. So we're basically doing 10 times 7,246. So what we're going to do is we're going to times everything by 1. So to do this, we're going to do 1 times 6 equals 6, like this. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 7 equals 7. Like this. Don't forget to place the comma right here. And then we're already done with the next one. So we're going to go over to our 3. And this is in the hundreds place. So this 3 has a value of 300. So what we're going to do now is we're going to place 2 zeros right here. One here and one over here. And we're going to start from right here. So now we're going to multiply everything by 3 again. So we're going to start by 3 times 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. So we're going to write the 8 down here. And we're going to carry the 1. So now we're going to do 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equals 12, plus 1 equals 13. So we're going to write the 3 down here and carry over the 1 again. Now we're going to do 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. So we're going to just write down the 7. Don't forget to place your comma. And now for the last one, we're going to do 3 times 7. 3 times 7 equals 21. So we're going to write down the 1. And as you can see, we don't have any place to carry over the 2. So we're just going to write 21 down here. So now 3 times 7,246 will equal 2,173,800. So you can also set a comma right here if you'd like. And now we're gonna go to our last one. Let's cross all of the numbers up we don't have to use anymore like this and go to our last one. So let's move this a bit more up actually, so we have just enough space. And let's start multiplying. So this is in the thousand spot, the 4. So we're gonna write 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna start from here. Because essentially what we're doing is we're multiplying 4,000 by 7,246. So let's start by doing this. 4 times 6. Well, 4 times 6 equals 24. So we're going to write the 4 down here, place the comma of course, and carry over the 2. We're going to carry over the 2 to the 4 right here. So the next step we take is we do 4 times 4. Well, 4 times 4 equals 16 plus 2 equals 18. So we're going to write down the 8 right here and carry over the 1. Now we're going to do 4 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. Like this. We don't have to carry anything over because it was just a 9. Now we're going to do 4 times 7. 4 times 7 equals 28. So we're going to write the 8. And as you can see, we don't have any place to carry over the 2. So we're just going to write 28 down here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add all of these numbers together. So to do this, we're going to do it step by step together so we don't get confused. So let's move this up a little bit more. Oh, my bad, guys. Move this up a little bit more. Take the text with it. I don't care. And like this. So we're going to add all of these numbers together. So first of all, we do 4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. That equals 4. Now we're going to go to the left and do 1 plus 6 equals 7 plus 0 plus 0 equals 7. Now we're going to go to the left again. We're going to do 2 plus 4 equals 6 plus 8 equals 14. So we're going to write down the 4, carry over the 1 over here, and go to the next one. Write down your comma, of course, and as you can see, all of the commas line up straight below each other, so this means you have done the correct job. So now we're going to do 1 plus 5 because we carried over the 1. So 1 plus 5 equals 6, plus 2 equals 7, plus 3 equals 10, plus 4 equals 14. So we're going to write down the 4 right here and again carry over the 1. So, my bad guys, I made a little mistake over here. This is 15, not 14. I forgot to add the 1. Mistake. So this is 5. So 15. And we're carrying the 1, so we go to the next digits. So now we're going to do 1 plus 6 equals 7, plus 7 equals 14, plus 7 equals 21, plus 8 equals 29. So we're writing the 9 down here, and we're carrying the 2 over here. So now we're going to do 2 plus 1 equals 3, and 3 plus 9 equals 12. So we're doing the 2 right over here, and carrying the 1 over. So now we got 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 8 equals 11. So we're going to write the 1 down here, and carry the 1 over, and 1 plus 2 equals 3. So this will be our final answer. 31,295,474. So this was basically the video, guys, on how to multiply 4-digit numbers by 4-digit numbers. it can be a bit difficult and a bit confusing because you have so many numbers to work with, but using this method and just slowly moving your way up to the end, you can get the final answer pretty simply and correct. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as always guys, this was Mr. Mathz, and I'll see you guys in the next one.